Welcome. I want you to take a deep breath and settle in for the next few moments, because what I am about to share with you is not just a message, it is a prophetic word for your life. If you are watching this as we step into 2026, hear me clearly. This is not just a new year. This is a year of restoration, not partial restoration, not delayed restoration, but full, complete, God-ordained restoration. Psalm 68-19 says, "Blessed be the Lord, who daily loads us with benefits." Every day, every single day, God is loading you with benefits. Some of you have gone through so much this past year, so much that you thought you would never recover from. Some of you felt the weight of loss of peace, loss of opportunities, loss of joy, loss of financial stability, and at times you felt alone. But hear me clearly, God saw it all. Think back for a moment. Think back to the doors that closed on you. Think back to the moments you were ignored, overlooked, or passed over. Those doors, those delays, those setbacks, they were not rejections, they were divine preparations. God was aligning your steps, even in silence. Psalm 37-23 says, "The steps of a good man are ordered by the Lord, and he delights in his way." And what about those moments you barely escaped? That accident you survived? That situation that should have consumed you? That unexpected protection that felt like a miracle? It was a sign, a signal that God is preparing you for something greater in 2026. He's preparing you to step into a season where doors will open, where calls will come that you didn't even see coming, where you will literally stand before kings and decision makers. Proverbs 20-29 says, "Do you see a man skilled in his work? He will stand before kings. He will not stand before obscure men." That is your word for 2026. Some of you have been waiting, praying, asking, and wondering if your breakthrough would ever come. Listen to this. Money is flowing in your life, not just a little, but in ways that will make you marvel. Opportunities that were hidden will appear. Calls that seem ordinary will change your life forever. That call you've been waiting for, that opportunity that elevates you, that promotion that seems too good to be true, it is your season, and it is coming. Now think about every loss you experienced last year, every tear you shed, every moment you felt overlooked, undervalued, and unseen. God is restoring it. Isaiah 61-7 says, "Instead of your shame you will receive a double portion, and instead of disgrace you will rejoice in your inheritance." That double portion, that reward, is coming. 2026 will make sense of everything that felt wasted, delayed, or unfair. Some of you may be thinking, but what about my past mistakes? What about my failures? Let me tell you something important. The God we serve does not see your failures the way the world sees them. Your mistakes were not the end of your story, they were lessons. They were shaping you, molding you, preparing you for the level of breakthrough you are about to receive. The restoration God is bringing will touch every part of your life, your health, your relationships, your career, your finances, and your destiny. Psalm 23 says, "The Lord restores my soul." Your soul will be restored. Your joy will return. Your energy will return. And the peace that you thought was lost is coming back to you. I want you to imagine your life as it is right now. And now imagine 2026, the year where God's hand moves so powerfully in your life that everything aligns for your good. The doors that were closed will open. The calls you never expected will come. The money you've been waiting for will flow in. The opportunities you never saw coming will appear. You will stand before kings, decision makers, and people of influence. And it will all be in God's perfect timing. This is the year you step out of the shadows of disappointment and into the light of your divine purpose. The year you move with confidence, not fear. The year you no longer ask, "Why me?" but say, "Thank you, God, for preparing me for what is coming." Let me repeat it, because some of you need to hear this again. The accident you escaped, the doors that closed, the delays you endured, the tears you shed, they were all signs that God was preparing you for greatness. Psalm 37-23 again reminds us, "The steps of a good man are ordered by the Lord." Every step you took, every moment you survived, Every prayer you whispered in silence, it was all part of God's plan to position you for 2026. As we continue into this year, I want you to declare it with me in the comments section right now. I am restored. I am prepared. I receive my breakthrough. Money is flowing in. Opportunities are appearing. I will stand before kings. I am walking in my God-ordained destiny. Write it down. Type it. Declare it aloud. Speak it into existence. The heavens are listening. 2026 is a year of acceleration. What took years before will happen in months. Doors that seemed permanently closed will suddenly open. The ideas, projects, and visions that you have been nurturing will begin to manifest. God is aligning circumstances, connections, and opportunities to push you forward at the perfect time. This is a season of divine appointments. You will meet the right people at the right time. Invitations that seem random are God's orchestration. Messages, phone calls, or meetings that you did not anticipate will shift your life. Your efforts, your persistence, and the skills you've been building will now align with purpose and favor. God is also releasing supernatural wisdom in 2026. Decisions that previously confused you will now come with clarity. Strategies that seemed impossible will now make sense. Proverbs 3:6 says, "In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your paths straight." Expect guidance, precision, and insight that lead to success in every area of life. Relationships are entering a season of favor. Friends, mentors, partners, and collaborators who will elevate you are coming into your life. Connections that seemed dormant or distant are now activated. People who were meant to open doors for you are being positioned to intersect with your life. Health and energy will also be renewed. If you have been tired, overwhelmed, or drained, God is restoring vitality. Isaiah 40:31 says, "But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint." Your stamina will return. Your focus will sharpen, and you will achieve more than ever before. Creativity, skills, and talents that you have developed will begin to bear fruit. Projects that were stagnant will accelerate. Business ideas will gain momentum. Education, training, and personal growth will yield results. God is opening pathways where your gifts will produce measurable impact. This year is also a season of supernatural favor. You will experience opportunities and resources coming from unexpected places. Doors that seemed blocked will be opened by divine intervention. Your reputation, integrity, and consistency are attracting favor. The people who will support, sponsor, or recognize you are being aligned to intersect with your destiny. Type in the comments now, "I am walking in divine favor. Opportunities are coming my way. My creativity is producing results. I am receiving wisdom, guidance, and supernatural provision. I am walking in my God-ordained season." Declare it with faith and expectation. God is orchestrating your path so that every effort, every plan, and every dream will align with His perfect will. The delays, obstacles, and confusion of the past were not wasted. They were preparing you for acceleration, clarity, and supernatural favor in 2026. This is your time to step into visibility. Your influence is expanding. Your work, your projects, and your reputation will be recognized. Your persistence, integrity, and excellence are positioning you for honor, promotion, and divine opportunity. Speak it now in the comments. "I am positioned for influence. My work is recognized. My vision is being activated. I am stepping into divine appointments and supernatural favor. I am walking in God's acceleration for my life." As we enter the final section of this prophetic word, I want you to understand that 2026 is your year of global impact. The influence you are walking into is not limited to your city, your community, or your immediate circle. God is positioning you to make a difference in places you have never imagined. Your ideas, your vision, and your voice are being amplified for greater reach. Isaiah 62:1 says, "Arise, shine, for your light has come, and the glory of the Lord rises upon you." Your light is rising. This year, God is giving you the strategy, the resources, and the connections to step into platforms of influence. People who need your message, your gifts, and your contribution are being aligned to hear from you. Your work will inspire, your testimony will encourage, and your presence will open doors that previously seemed unreachable. This is a season of divine acceleration. The pace of your life will increase in alignment with God's timing. Opportunities will come faster than before. Doors will open quicker than expected, and breakthroughs will happen sooner than anticipated. Every seed you have sown, effort, prayer, talent, and time is about to produce a harvest beyond your imagination. Galatians 6:9 says, "Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up." Your harvest is now. God is also establishing you in divine authority. In 2026, your voice will carry weight. Decisions you make, prayers you speak, and steps you take will have kingdom-level impact. You will influence others in ways that expand your vision and legacy. The recognition, respect, and honor that follow are part of God's plan for the people around you to witness His glory working through you. Now, I want you to declare it in the comments, and while you do, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button and comment below. I'm walking in global impact. My influence is expanding. My vision is reaching new heights. I am stepping into divine authority. God is using me to bless others and expand His kingdom. Type it, declare it, and believe it. This year, your creativity, innovation, and talent will be recognized on new levels. Projects that were dormant or delayed will begin to manifest. Resources, partners, and ideas will align in ways that surpass your expectations. Opportunities that seemed impossible will appear, and God's hand will guide every step. Your health, mind, and spirit are also entering a new level of restoration and energy. You will not just endure, you will thrive. You will have the stamina to handle bigger responsibilities, longer projects, and greater influence. Your focus and clarity will increase as God renews your strength daily. 2 Corinthians 4:16 reminds us, "Therefore we do not lose heart. Though outwardly we are wasting away, yet inwardly we are being renewed day by day." This is a year of prophetic alignment. God is orchestrating events, meetings, and opportunities that will confirm His promises over your life. Divine appointments will accelerate your destiny, and every step you take will be ordered for maximum impact. Those who oppose, doubt, or underestimate, you will witness God's favor working in your life. Type in the comments, "I am walking in divine alignment. I receive every prophetic confirmation. I am walking in divine appointments. God is ordering my steps for maximum impact. I subscribe, I like, and I comment, and I declare God's favor over my life." Declare it boldly. 2026 is also a year of legacy. Everything you do, every decision you make, every investment of time, talent, and resources is positioning you to leave a lasting mark. Proverbs 13:22 says, "A good person leaves an inheritance for their children's children." This is your year to create a legacy, a testimony, and a life story that inspires others. Finally, declare with me one last time in the comments, "I am walking into my 2026 breakthrough. I am stepping into divine authority. I am walking in global impact. My vision is being fulfilled. I am living my God-ordained destiny. I am a blessing to others. I receive every promise God has for me this year. I subscribe, I like, and I comment, and I release God's favor over my life." Speak it, write it, believe it, and act in faith. Welcome to 2026. This is your year of acceleration, divine appointments, favor, influence, and legacy. Your breakthrough is unstoppable. Your destiny is unstoppable. Your season is unstoppable. Step forward with confidence and receive all that God has prepared for you.